how to deposit crypto into Redotpay. Now, this actual process is very easy. Of course, the very first thing that you want to do is go into your Google Play Store or any available app store that you can use on your end. And this is going to be the application that you need to download. Red.Pay, Crypto Card, and Pay. So if you fully open the application, you will be asked to create or to log into an existing account. So the account that I am in right now is a demo account. So keep in mind that before you can deposit any funds from here, you need to link your phone number to complete the identification process or the whole verification process at first. But once you've successfully set up or fully activated using any physical ID that you can use, that's the time that you can actually deposit any crypto from it. So you could actually receive, buy, and you could also trade. Go into the deposit page and then select your currency through USDT, GBP, Euro, BTC, or any available cryptocurrency on this app. Next thing is you could also try to buy same crypto and has a different amount. That's it. That's how you deposit crypto into Pay.